Creative patching. I'm sorry. I thought I answered this, and if I didn't, I'm sorry. When you're looking at patching, and they do want to grab everything, that's okay. You know what I mean? What you want to do to use that opportunity, if they are grabbing, is that what's when you're coming in with the second one and you're looking for, again, it's not active passive convergence because there's no convergence when you're doing that, but you're looking for the visual midline crossing, right? And the functional vision. If they're looking and then turning away and grab, or they're doing all of that kind of stuff, I get it, but that's what your goal would be for that. Even if you've got a bucket of little toys, I like to use those little plastic finger puppets or whatever, and you've got that bucket ready to go and they're doing it, it is okay. But if they're grabbing it, you know what I mean, and they're forgetting you, that's where you have to pull them away and integrate that for a bit more visual stimulation, maybe with the lights, or that you just hold it a little bit longer. You know what I mean? That because I don't want him to lose the social end of it by grab and go, right? Now they're babies, or he's a baby, but so he's gonna grab once in a while. He's gonna go down. It's not like, what else do you have, Mom? But you really do want that like, okay, what else is in the bucket? And you can sit there and literally, you know what I mean, like do a little tease. That's fine, and not, you know, but I get it that you're looking for the tracking and the following part, and he just wants to grab, but that's what your goal would be with the patching. Thanks.